Hi coders, my name is Bhupender and I welcome you to my channel Addictive Learning. So today's video what we are going to do, we are going to work on mem type. What is mem type I'll tell you later, but we are going to work on mem type. We will simply see how we can get the mem type on the basis of file name. So we will simply pass the file name, and after passing the file name we will be able to get the mem type of the file. So that is what we are going to do today's videos. Okay. So before I start, I just want to take you through the some documentation of the mem type. Yes. So basically, they say a media type, also known as a multi-purpose internet mail extension. This is a full form of mem type. Uh, Basically, you save the data in some kind of document or file, and that file has some kind of format, and that format we call it as a mem type, right? So if you go down and scroll down, you can see here we are like these are the folder, video, text, model, image, font, and mem type these are the mem type. If like suppose if I have an image with extension png, that will fall under this category. And if I have an image dot jpeg, and that will also fall under this category, like image under image, and then backward slash and then jpeg, right? And let me just take you through another tab where you will be able to see more extension with the mem type, like here dot aac, and its mem type is audio slash double ac. And if you go down, then you will be able to see dot doc, and its mem type is application slash ms word, right? And here you can see these are the document name and these are the mem type. Okay. And like why I'm telling you this functionality, because back in days I had to implement the same functionality in my product. So I thought I should make a video on it. So I am here right now making a video on it. So what we are going to do, we are there are many ways to implement this functionality. Like you must be having the payload, and in that payload you must have the file name, so that you can get the file name. Maybe you just want to extract the extension of that file, and after extracting the extension of that file, then you want to send that extension in the in the in the in the mem type object, like, because if we don't have mem type object, where will be where we can search that extension. So we should have this mem type object, and in that object we are going to search our extension, right? I guess you are getting my point. So still you have any confusion, let me take you through the code. So for the code, I'll open my this folder, not this one. um, so code, let me upload everything. I'll open courses. Here I'll make another folder and I'll name it the uh, file file name types. Okay, and I'll open it, and then I'll just write a cmd to open my cmd. And here what I'll do, I'll first open the Visual Studio Code. Mm, okay, Visual Code Studio Code has opened, and then I'll also type here uh, npm init. It will skip all the manual step. Okay. Okay, and yes, and here we will create a file called server.js. In this file we will write all the code related to mem type. So we need payload, and also we need that mem type object. Okay, so I have already have that thing. So I'll just copy from here. This is a payload, and I'll simply just payload here. uh, just put me a comma. Okay. And we also need object of mem type. So this is the object of mem type. Guys, I'll tell you all the ways that I know to implement this functionality. So whatever the ways you like, you can implement that in your code or in your product. Okay. So actually, guys, my few of keys are not working in my keyboard. So otherwise, if my keyboards all the keys were working, I would have press shift plus home, shift plus, and it will already copied of everything. But sad. So I'll copy this and I'll paste here. Okay. So let me see if it's working or not. Home. It is not taking me to the home. So I'll have to scroll down, scroll up. Sorry. Hmm. So you can see we got this whole object of mem type. Okay. uh, what it contains extension and its mem type. Okay. So what we have to do now, we have to simply we have payload. Let me show you the payload as well. This is the payload, and here is the file name capture.png. Okay. This time here the extension is .png, but this payload is static for now. But every time it is from UI side. So every time whatever the UI side whatever the file is being uploaded on the UI, as per the file, you will get the extension, and after getting the extension, then you will have to also fetch the mem type of that file. Okay. So this time it is here capture.png. So first you will have to capture this file name, and we have to also extract this .png as an extension. So first we'll have to work on this payload. So what we can do, like const, and if we say min, let me write the name according to what I'm going to get here. File extension. Okay, file extension, and then I'll use this payload, and then dot file name. I'll be able to, yes, right. Okay. And then I need dot png. So what I can do, I split it, dot dot, and let me just console it to check file extension. Okay. So let me run my file now. Node server.js. So you can see we are getting two things in a array. First one is capture and the second one is png, but we need .png. So we have to do something else, because it is not splitting it .png. We want .png. So what we can do here, instead of splitting, before splitting, we can do replace dot with the this or and dot. Okay. And now if I save it, then what we get, we get capture.png. Okay, we have to, sorry, we have to, mm, now still, sorry, we have to here replace it with the dot, no sorry, pipe dot, and then save it. And after replacing it, then we can split it by dot, this not dot by operator or operator. Okay, I think it should work now. Yes, now we are able to get the dot extension, whatever the payload is being passed, and we are able to fetch the extension on the basis of file name, right? So we get the extension whatever the file is being passed in the payload. Now what we have to do, we have to we have to search .png extension in our memtype object. In this object we have to find .png extension. So what we can do here, we can simply write here uh, const memtype, and then content name, I guess. Yes, content name. And in this content name we have to find what we have to find, we have to find file extension. And remember, you have to pass here one not two. If you see here, in an array we got two element, and in array always counting start from 0, so 0 1. So .png comes at one position, so you have to write here 1. Okay, so now if I print console.log, then min type, I'll be able to get the mem type of it. Yes, as you can see, the file extension .png, and on the basis of .png we are getting the mem type image slash png. And like if I change the file name here, like suppose if I made it jpeg, so what it will give us, it will give us image and jpeg. Now if I, so like here I pass zip dot zip, and dot zip mem type is application slash x dash zip dash compress, right? So let me just type a zip. So you can see we are getting the mem type on the basis of file name, right? File name extension. So this is the one way to implement this thing in your code. You can follow this thing and implement, but I would not suggest you to do this thing in this way. There is another way which is better according to me. What we can do here, we can simply copy this whole object, simply copy and cut it from here. And what we can do here, we can simply create a file, uh, content type dot json, and put it all that thing here. Why it's giving error, why it is giving error? Let me check, let me check. Okay, we have to remove it because it already json, so we can't type here this thing. That's good. Still we got one error. Let me see the problem. Comma. Okay, we have to remove this comma as well. Okay, we are good to go now. So what we can do right now here, we can simply const content type and require that json. So it will it will still give the same result. We go and check. Applications slash x dash zip dash compress. Like for check we can do one more time, like what are the dot z. Okay, so we have to visit ip, and then say yes. As you can see, we are getting the mem type or of dot z, and its mem type is application slash x dash compress. Okay, so this is another way, and I think this way is better than the previous one which we used earlier. So I would prefer this one to implement in code. And if you don't want to make this like there's one more way, like if you don't want to use this content type.json of meme type, so you can simply you just don't have to uh, you just comment it, and there's a good library for that, uh, for for node. So what you have to do, you have to first install that library. Let me just stop my server for now. Oh, what is happening? I'm stopping the server, but it is not stopping. Control C. Why it is not working? I don't know. Let me just open my CMD here. I'll type here npm I. This famous dependency. If I search min in node, then I'll be able to get that. So mim, if you install mim, then you just have to pass the, yes, you just have to pass the extension of the file, and then just pass the extension of the file, and then you will be able to get the mim type. Okay, so let's just try this thing in our code. So simply uh, what I'll do here, I'll npm I mim will install. Let me kill this terminal for now and open new one. Okay, and let me see, it is downloading. So what we are going to do, like there are people who don't want to use this content.json because it's a big file, and if you don't want to use that file in a code, so what you can do, you can simply install this dependency in your application, and after after using or after downloading this dependency in your code, then you have to just pass the extension to the function that we'll see soon, and then that function will provide us the mem type. I don't know why it is taking too long. Oh, come on. Let me share the function as well. We will be using dot get type. Here we just have to pass the mem type, sorry, pass the extension of the file, and it will provide us the mem type of that file. Okay. Why it is taking too long? I don't know. Let me just control C. Hope it should work. Okay, it is working. Let me do this thing in Visual Studio Terminal. So npm I min, come on, why you are taking too long to download it? I'm using the right way, right? npm install min mime mime npm. I'm doing everything right, but still it is taking long. Let me just, so guys, it has downloaded successfully. I It was taking time because in application name there's a meme between the file and the times, and there shouldn't be any name convention. Whatever the dependency you are trying to download it, that should not match with the your application name, and I had the name of meme in between the file and type, so that is why it was taking long. Okay, so but it has downloading successfully, so we can use that dependency in our code. So simply we'll come here and type here const, and we'll type here mem. Yes, we did not use mem as a variable name till now. So what we can do is require and then dependency name, right? And we don't want to this thing, we don't want to use this right now because we are not using any JSON file or JSON file and any object. So we want a file extension, so we have to keep this same as it is. And other than that, what we can do here, we have to simply use const and min type here, and here we have to use min dot get type, and in type we have to simply pass the file extension and then one, right? It should work. Let me just console this min type. Let me start my let me start let me start my file node mon server dot get. It should work. Null, we are getting null. So if we have a file name with extension .z, so it is giving null. Okay, let me change the extension .png, then see what it gave us. And now it is giving us image slash png. We write a jetpack, then still it is working. And if we type a zip, still it is working. Application and a zip. And if we write doc, and it is still working. So it is giving us mem type. Let me just cross check this thing and as well, right? It is correct. Okay guys, as you can see, we still got the one problem, and that problem is, okay, this is I have to change the name of my application. That's all right. Oh no, it will work for us. So guys, this is what I really wanted to show you. So if you really want to implement this functionality in your code, like if you want the mem type of your file, whatever the file is being uploaded on your server, and you want the mem type of that file, so you can implement this code if you are working in JavaScript or Node.js. Although these things, the core concept will remain the same for the Java developer as well. But uh, for as far as dependency concerned, if you're looking for the dependency, then Vim would be the nice to use. But if you don't want to use the dependency in your application, then you can simply go with this JSON file. And if you don't like this JSON file, then you will simply go for the Vim as a dependency in your application. So guys, if you find something interesting in this video, or maybe this video was useful to you and maybe you like it, so please subscribe my channel